Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial, where today we are going to figure out what to do in the last 120 days to make sure that not only is our preparation enough, but also that we are able to sustain our pace so that on the day of our examination, we are able to put our best foot forward. Yes, this is for all the CLAT 2027 aspirants, but also for CLAT 2028 aspirants in the sense that you will find yourself in a similar situation next year. So it's better to know the strategy beforehand so that you're able to execute it well in the final leg of your preparation. So without wasting any time, let's start off with the non-negotiables, which are going to set your baseline routine for the next 90 days. In fact, the next how many ever days that you have. So first things first, quant has to happen every single day, 20 to 30 questions. Analytical reasoning also needs to happen every single day, and let me tell you why. Not because you're really horrible at it, and also not only because of the fact that you're super scared of it, but these sections require daily practice. These are sections that are, you might know how to figure out the question and get to the answer. Maybe you've done it really well, but even if you let go of the practice for, let's say, a few days, after that, it'll take you insane amount of time to get back to that kind of level, right? And very honestly speaking, you will not have a lot of time for it. So 10 to 12 minutes sounds like a lot of time, but isn't really, especially because, you're at the fag end of your entire mock, or for that matter, on the day of your examination, the CLAT 2027 paper. So, the panic level also rises. A person gets anxious. By the way, you need to do something about that as well in these 120 days. And so hence, so that the panic is reduced and the anxiety is reduced, our practice has to be really, really good, right? It's very simple. You have to put in your best foot forward during these 120 days to be able to get inside the common law admission test 2027 examination hall with a smile and to come out with a smile, right? You have to sweat in peace so that you don't bleed in the war. So sectional rotational is also very important. Of course, reading the newspaper goes without saying, hence I've not written it. That has to happen every single day. 2 to 3 sectionals have to happen. Rotationally from English, Monday would be English, logical would be Tuesday, Wednesday would be legal, and then you can do like a combination of each, or maybe the ones that you have the most amount of problem with. Now, दिस इज लाइक द बेस लाइन, राइट? पूरे 90 दिन, मैं तो कहती हूँ पूरे 120 दिन तुम्हारे पास होना चाहिए. चलो 120 ना करो बिकॉज पेपर भी करना है, तो 100 दिन के लिए तो तुम्हें वो करना ही है. नाउ इन द फर्स्ट 60 days, what is it that I have to do? Try to do at least 2 full length mocks over and above everything else that we have spoken about. And that's probably because of the fact that you have to get a little uncomfortable right now. And if you could do like a CLAT A-Lit or 2 CLAT mocks and sometimes 2 A-Lit mocks, mix and match it a little bit. Try to do that. Try to do different types of patterns in the sense, some kind of surprise element in each and every section, which I'm sure your coaching is incorporating. And if it isn't, then, well, you need to tell them to incorporate that, because a surprise element is the most common thing in a common law admission test, right? And not in every section, but at least in few. The next is, of course, from 61st day onwards, we have to sort of pivot towards यही टाइम है जो सबसे ज्यादा आपका हाई पीक लेवल ट्रेनिंग चल रही है, जहां पे आपने 2 मॉक्स तो करने ही करने हैं, लेकिन अब तक आपको फिगर आउट हो जाना चाहिए कि आपकी गलतियां क्या है, और सेक्शनल्स में आपने सिर्फ वही गलतियों वाले सवाल करने हैं. So for example, assumption works really well for me, but in inference I mostly get it incorrect. Or maybe, weakening, strengthening wale thing. Maybe strengthening wale questions are really nice, but weakening wale questions aren't, because mostly that's what happens to kids. I don't know why though. If you can do a strengthen question, you can also do a weaken question, but usually they have a problem. Not talking about you individually, but mostly that's the issue people face. Idea is to figure out the mistakes and to really work very, very hard and try to give a minimum of 2 mocks and a minimum of 3 sectionals during this time, right? Again, rotationally changing it. And then comes phase 3. Before phase 3, of course, you have your current affairs. Current affairs, you'll have to figure, I mean, November तक आपको current affairs करने पड़ेंगे. उसका example है CLAT 2023. फीफा शुरू हुआ नवंबर के महीने में. December first week was CLAT 2023. There were 7 questions that were asked from FIFA as a topic. FIFA खत्म भी नहीं हुआ था और इस बार तो चलो खत्म भी हो जाएगा. So point is, if we are going to at least do it till the first week of November. If at all CLAT gets postponed, which usually it doesn't, it's usually the first Sunday of December, but it can change. I mean, we don't really know what the date is really, but till the first week of November, definitely you have to do it. And you have to keep revising it. In this entire time, we are talking about all the other sectionals. I made a standalone slide for this because this happens every single day. And we've already had a dedicated session with respect to how your current affairs strategy should be. If in case you haven't watched that, it is there on the LPT YouTube channel. I suggest please go and see it and execute it properly. Moving ahead, the tapering period, this is when you have to sort of not get so into practice, but you have to look at your book of mistakes, which are anyway trying to, update every single time you take a mock. For the ones who don't know what is a book of mistake, the CLAT 2027 aspirants, it's exactly what it sounds like. Every time you give a mock or a sectional, जो आपकी गलती होती है आप लिखें. इस दौरान आप उसके ऊपर बार बार देखते रहें और ये देखें कि मैंने ऐसे क्या गलती की और मैं किस तरीके से इसको अवॉइड कर सकूं. वो 2 पर वीक वाले जो मॉक्स हैं उनको रिड्यूस करके 1 पर वीक करके करो. बिकॉज डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट दिस वे कि अभी तो एग्जाम आने वाला है, मैंने तो 10 घंटे पढ़ाई करनी है. नो, you have to save your mind, you have to rest, you have to relax, you have to just look at your mistakes and try to figure it out on your own. मैं कैसे ये वाला mistake नहीं करूंगा, कौन से ऐसे passages हैं जो मेरे को बिल्कुल end में करने हैं, कौन से passages हैं जो कि मैंने पहले करने हैं. अपने आप के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन करो. अगर सेक्शन वाइज कुछ डिमार्केशन ही ना हो, पहला क्वेश्चन क्वांट का है, दूसरा जीके का है, तीसरा इंग्लिश का है, इफ एट ऑल दैट हैपेंस, what will I feel? How will I deal with the situation? This is what you need to do. And of course, give a mock, but like not 2 in a week, probably just like 1 in a week, and you can reread your entire book of mistakes and review your GK compendiums. And that's it, guys. That's all that you need to know. And that's all that you need to do. For every 1 hour of GK, you need to do 3 hours of other sections. And if you're able to do that in the next 120 days, I'm sure you'll get to your dream National Law University. You just have to hold on. You have to do something about your panic and anxiety part of it, right? If that is taking a deep breath, drinking thanda pani, talking to your parents, talking to your mentors, please use all of these steps and be very, very sure that your common law admission test 2027 is going to be very nice. I'll see you again with a new video. Thank you very much.